For information on low-voltage wiring in residential applications, there are several categories of resources available. Firstly, consider official manufacturer websites. These sites provide detailed product information, specifications, and support for their respective brands. Some examples include Leviton, Lutron, Legrand, Eaton, and Hubbell Electrical Products. Each of these manufacturers offers a wide range of low-voltage wiring products suitable for various residential applications. Secondly, explore industry publications and blogs. These resources often provide reviews, articles, and insights into the latest trends and technologies in low-voltage wiring. CEDIA, or the Custom Electronic Design and Installation Association, is a valuable resource for professionals and enthusiasts alike. Residential Tech Today offers news and articles on residential technology, while Home Theatre Review focuses on home theatre systems and components. Sound and Vision covers audio and video equipment, and the Wirecutter provides product reviews and recommendations. Thirdly, consider online retailers. These platforms offer a wide selection of low-voltage wiring products from various manufacturers, often at competitive prices. Amazon, Home Depot, Lowe's, and Newegg are popular online retailers that carry a variety of low-voltage wiring supplies. Lastly, AV distribution companies can provide specialized products and solutions for audiovisual applications. AV Planners and HB Communications are examples of AV distribution companies that offer low-voltage wiring products for residential and commercial projects. RTI is another resource with a website dedicated to remote control and automation systems. When selecting low-voltage wiring products, it is essential to consider several factors. 1. The specific application. Determine the purpose of the wiring, such as lighting, security systems, or home automation. 2. The voltage requirements. Ensure that the wiring is compatible with the voltage levels of the devices being powered. 3. The current capacity. Select wiring with sufficient current capacity to handle the load of the connected devices. 4. The environmental conditions. Consider the environmental conditions where the wiring will be installed, such as temperature, humidity, and exposure to sunlight. 5. The safety standards. Ensure that the wiring meets all applicable safety standards and regulations, such as those set by the National Electrical Code, or NEC. When installing low-voltage wiring, it is crucial to follow proper safety precautions. 1. Always disconnect power before working on electrical circuits. 2. Use appropriate tools and equipment. 3. Follow manufacturer's instructions. 4. Ensure proper grounding. 5. Inspect wiring for damage. 6. Protect wiring from physical damage. 7. Label wiring clearly. 8. Test wiring after installation. 9. Comply with local codes. 10. Seek professional assistance. Low-voltage wiring offers several benefits for residential applications. Firstly, it is safer than high-voltage wiring, reducing the risk of electrical shock. Secondly, it is more energy efficient, consuming less power than high-voltage wiring. Thirdly, it is more flexible, allowing for easier installation and customization. Fourthly, it is more versatile, supporting a wide range of applications, from lighting to security systems to home automation. Common applications of low-voltage wiring in residential settings include lighting, security systems, thermostats, doorbells, landscape lighting, audio systems, video systems, networking, and home automation. The National Electrical Code, or NEC, provides guidelines for low-voltage wiring installations. It is important to consult the NEC and local codes to ensure compliance with all applicable regulations. Some key NEC articles related to low-voltage wiring include Article 725, Class 1, Class 2, and Class 3 remote control, signaling, and power-limited circuits, which covers the requirements for low-voltage wiring used in remote control, signaling, and power-limited circuits. Article 720, Circuits and Equipment Operating at Less than 50 volts, covers the requirements for circuits and equipment operating at less than 50 volts. Article 411, Lighting Systems Operating at 30 volts or less, covers the requirements for lighting systems operating at 30 volts or less. When selecting low voltage cables, consider the following factors. 1. The cable type. Choose the appropriate cable type for the application, such as thermostat cable, speaker wire, or network cable. 2. The conductor size. Select the appropriate conductor size, measured in American wire gauge or AUG, to handle the current load. 3. The insulation rating. Ensure that the cable insulation is rated for the voltage and temperature of the application. 4. The shielding. Consider shielded cables for applications where electromagnetic interference, or EMI, is a concern. 5. The listing. Choose cables that are listed by a recognized testing laboratory, such as Underwriters Laboratories, or UL. Common types of low voltage cables include thermostat cable, speaker wire, network cable, coaxial cable, security system cable, and landscape lighting cable. Thermostat cable is typically used for connecting thermostats to heating and cooling systems. Speaker wire is used for connecting speakers to audio amplifiers. Network cable, such as CAT5E or C86, is used for connecting computers and other devices to a network. Coaxial cable is used for connecting antennas and cable boxes to televisions. Security system cable is used for connecting security sensors and devices to a security system. Landscape lighting cable is used for powering landscape lighting fixtures. When making connections with low voltage wiring, it is important to use appropriate connectors and termination methods. Common types of connectors include wire nuts, crimp connectors, and terminal blocks. Wire nuts are used for joining two or more wires together. Crimp connectors are used for terminating wires to terminals. Terminal blocks are used for providing a convenient connection point for multiple wires. When terminating wires, it is important to ensure that the connections are secure and properly insulated. Use appropriate crimping tools and strippers to ensure proper connections. Wrap connections with electrical tape or use heat shrink tubing to provide insulation. When running low voltage wiring, it is important to follow proper installation practices. 1. Avoid running wiring in areas where it could be damaged. 2. Protect wiring from physical damage by using conduit or other protective measures. 3. Support wiring properly to prevent sagging or strain. 4. Avoid running wiring parallel to high voltage wiring to minimize interference. 5. Maintain proper separation between low voltage and high voltage wiring. When troubleshooting low voltage wiring problems, it is important to have a basic understanding of electrical circuits and testing procedures. Use a multimeter to measure voltage, current, and resistance. Check for continuity and shorts in the wiring. Inspect connections for corrosion or damage. If you are not comfortable working with electrical wiring, it is best to seek professional assistance. Several specialized tools are available for working with low voltage wiring. Wire strippers are used for removing insulation from wires. Crimp tools are used for crimping connectors onto wires. Multimeters are used for measuring voltage, current, and resistance. Cable testers are used for testing the continuity and performance of cables. Tone generators and probes are used for tracing wires. Voltage testers are used for detecting the presence of voltage. When selecting low voltage lighting, consider the following factors. 1. The light output. Choose the appropriate light output measured in lumens for the application. 2. The color temperature. Select the desired color temperature, measured in Kelvin, to create the desired ambience. 3. The energy efficiency. Choose energy efficient lighting options such as LED lights. 4. The dimming capabilities. Consider dimming capabilities to adjust the light level. 5. The lifespan. Choose lighting options with a long lifespan to minimize maintenance. Common types of low voltage lighting include LED lights, halogen lights, and xenon lights. LED lights are energy efficient and have a long lifespan. Halogen lights provide a bright white light. Xenon lights are similar to halogen lights but have a longer lifespan. Low voltage landscape lighting can enhance the beauty and security of a property. Common types of landscape lighting include spotlights, path lights, and floodlights. Spotlights are used for highlighting specific features, such as trees or architectural details. Path lights are used for illuminating walkways and pathways. Floodlights are used for providing general illumination to larger areas. When installing low-voltage landscape lighting, it is important to use weatherproof fixtures and cables. Bury cables underground to protect them from damage. Use a low-voltage transformer to step down the voltage from 120 volts to 12 volts. Low-voltage security systems can provide peace of mind and protect property. Common types of security systems include alarm systems, surveillance systems, and access control systems. Alarm systems detect unauthorized entry and alert the homeowner or authorities. Surveillance systems record video footage for monitoring and investigation. Access control systems restrict access to certain areas of the property. When installing low-voltage security systems, it is important to use reliable equipment and follow proper installation practices. Connect sensors and devices to a control panel. Monitor the system regularly and test it periodically. Low-voltage home automation systems can automate various tasks and improve convenience. Common types of home automation systems include lighting control, thermostat control, and appliance control. Lighting control systems allow you to control lights remotely or automatically. Thermostat control systems allow you to adjust the temperature remotely or automatically. Appliance control systems allow you to control appliances remotely or automatically. When installing low-voltage home automation systems, it is important to choose a compatible system and follow proper installation practices. Connect devices to a central hub or controller. Program the system to automate desired tasks. Monitor the system regularly and make adjustments as needed. Remember to consult with a qualified electrician or low-voltage wiring specialist for any complex installations or if you have any questions about electrical safety.